Hello, Adam and I are here at the gym today. We thought we would do a quick little workout montage and then we are going to show you our number one recovery tip and our new favorite little toy. We love using this guy because first of all, he's really tiny and you can stick him in your bag and take him to the gym. And then also what Adam was just saying, go ahead.
Just this head, this like softer head here. They have a bunch of different ones for different guns and stuff like that, but it's kind of nicer because you can go right around the joint without really hurting yourself. Without it being just like a hard plastic surface, you know. Obviously don't go right on your kneecap, but you can. You can go right around the patellar tendon there and just kind of get in there. Feels good.
And this is still just level 1 pressure,
yeah,
right?
On level 1.
That's level 2. It's just nice because the handle's so small you can go all sorts of ways without it getting in the way.
I can almost like hide it in my hand. So tiny.
I did full body, so I gotta get all of
Yeah, with the frame rate, it looks so cool. It's like a wave going down your arm. It's weird. See the bicep and tricep hopping?
Oh.
Release the tension.
So if you guys are in the market for a massage gun, I would definitely recommend checking out OYeet by Nex. And you can check my description for more information on that and how you can get a sweet discount. But Adam and I seriously love this, like actually stand by it. Think it's a great product. And I was using it when we first got it. I used it on, I was having lower back and hip pain and I used it on that and it's gone now. So I think part of that is attributed to this and good stretching and allowing myself time to recover. But if you guys have been looking for a massage gun, highly recommend. Think it's a great one. Definitely check it out. I love massage guns. I think they do wonders for recovery and I'm a big fan. So if you're in the market, maybe check this one out. All right, guys, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. And again, if you want to check out OYeet by Nex, links are in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!